boys and girls. Check that workout. Isn't that beautiful? If it's not, don't say anything. 'Cause it looks beautiful to me. And it looks a hell of a lot better than it did. I tried to put a picture of what it was when I started. I think I got 1 or 2. Now, do I do this? Because I'm pretty worn out. I don't want to work anymore. Well, I probably should move outside. But my son's car's in the way. So we're doing this in the garage. The patch looks pretty good from here. I'm going to be welding up these trim holes. I'm not doing the ones on the fender, but I am going to do all these on the door. And I learned a trick from Bad Chad, so let's see if it works. Alright, look at my perfect, wonderful welding job. There's them holes that are plugged in. Now I'm going to grind them down. And you get to watch. I filled in the trim holes on this door, and I call it a win. Given my limited filling skills, welding skills, it looks pretty good. What do you think? Now do I tackle dun 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 that rear corner? Oh, I gotta still grind that one off. Okay.